These minerals are obtained by controlled dynamite blastings, which are held periodically under expert supervision. In spite of the primitive methods of mining in the Deccan, whatever can be obtained after a blast are treasured by connoisseurs like Mr. Pandey. These procured minerals are then cut, chiseled, cleaned and washed by the skilled technicians of the company. The polished geolites are then personally examined by Mr. Pandey at his Nasik warehouse. Mr. Pandey is very meticulous in his selection and only the best zeolites are approved by him.
Dear viewers, in the next few minutes, we'll be taking you through a mesmerizing journey through the alluring beauty of Gargoti Mineral Museum. The spellbinding beauty and aura around this unique museum has to be seen to be believed. At this grand entrance, we are welcomed by the 13 feet tall statue of Mother India. This is a marvelous masterpiece of art which casts a splendid charm on all the visitors here. The towering statue of Mother India, encountered on a line with a dignity, calm and serene smile, looms with a purpose. This reveals the treasures and vivid beauty of Mother Earth. Since geolites are procured from her womb and obtained from this very land, known for its glorious past and promising future, it is indeed very creative to blend Mother India and Mother Earth into this personified beauty. Just above this beautiful masterpiece, towards the inner side of the dome, we can see the vibrant map of drifting Indian subcontinent, which is a geographical fact in the theory of continental drifts. The museum is housed in 2 floors. The ground floor has some of the most rare minerals from India and Maharashtra in particular, whereas the first floor displays 1700 rare specimens and intricate geolites from all around the world. Let's start from the first floor. As we stand in this prestige gallery, the intricacy heightens, artistry increases, and brilliance intensifies as this gallery houses some of the choicest collections of the Gargoti Mineral Museum. Within this prestige gallery, we are now in the Parliament House, which is exclusively designed on the lines of Indian Parliament. This Parliament houses collections mostly from other parts of the world and gives us a holistic view on the world of minerals. It doesn't matter from which country these minerals belong, but the fact is they are all part of our Mother Earth, the gorgeous earth that we live on. Whether it's minerals from India or abroad, these minerals are at their natural best. Their feminine beauty is so radiant that it oozes positive energy. Mesmerized? Surely you must be just as much as I am. We are now on the ground floor, that is the Deccan Plateau. The most salient feature of this section is that it has 2 full shelves totally dedicated to scholocyte and cavensite. As it is very apparent, these are the precious treasures of the great Deccan Plateau of India. Come, let's have a look and experience the sheen and beauty ourselves. We are blessed with a visual treat as we see numerous minerals in their purest form. Basically, we all human beings have potent cosmic energy within us, but generally we have the inclination of getting it from outside. Each crystalline structure has its own individuality and its separate energy reserve. Those minerals are composed of number of zeolites which possess welding energies. Now this energy justifies their metaphysical significance. This museum has been constructed to promote awareness, facilitate research purposes, training purposes, and also to assist various agencies who are helping those involved in mineral exploration and geographical survey. There are special VIP deluxe suites to make the stay of our overseas visitors an experience to remember. Come, let's have a look. In this exclusive decor, there's an Indian ethnic style of seating and Western seating coupled with well-equipped gizmos and entertainment gadgets that make the overseas visitors feel at home. After taking a peek at the super deluxe apartment above, we are now at the sales counter on the ground floor. And now I just can't wait to shop for precious stone and mineral beads from here. Wow.
कुठे गारगोटी, पण म्हटलं गारगोटीपासूनच हिरा बनतो, हिऱ्यापासून कधी गारगोटी नाही झाली. आणि मी आता म्युझियम पाहिला आणि थक्क झालो. म्हटलं काय निसर्ग आहे, या मातीमध्ये काय काय असतं काही कल्पना येणार नाही तुम्हाला. आणि ते खोदून काढायचं, शोधून काढायचं कठीणच आहे. हिअर इज अ ग्रेट यंग मॅन प्रोफेसर सिटिंग, तो असंच एक मॅडनेस. माणसाला कसलं तरी वेळ लागल्याशिवाय असे म्युझियम उभे राहत नसतात.
मैंने बहुत हिमालय देखा है, मैंने बहुत जंगलों की खाक छानी. पूरी दुनिया ठीक है कि आज हम टीवी के माध्यम से भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन हमने प्रत्यक्ष रूप से दुनिया में, देश में बहुत भ्रमण किया है. लेकिन पत्थरों की खूबसूरती व्यक्ति के मन को मोह लेती है, कहीं ठहरा देती है और उसको कहीं अंतर की गहराई में उतरने के लिए विवश कर देती है. ये पहली बार मैंने महसूस किया गारगोटी में.
पहले देखी नहीं, और ये तो एक किस्म का एजुकेशन है. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि ये भारतवर्ष में किसी ने सोचा, और ख़ास तौर पर एक सर्विस ऑफिसर ने ऐसा सोचा और ये बनाया इतनी मेहनत करके. तो ये तो, और मेरा ख्याल है इसका जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रचार होगा उतना अच्छा है. Go out of the country and let people learn of history. It should become one of the interesting tourist attraction.
Gargoti Minerals Museum, Nasik. Welcome to the world of zeolites. Witness the world-class collection of Indian zeolites in all its glory. Experience the shimmering beauty of rarest zeolites. Get mesmerized by the treasures of Mother Earth. Come home to the most unique mineral museum in the world, which has 1,700 rare specimens on display from a total collection of 15 million minerals. Come, feel the divine aura of minerals in their purest form. Gargoti Minerals Museum, a visual treat for your eyes. a tourist destination